We're taking a trip down one of the best riding roads in Australia with our new roving reporter. Make him welcome, Kosta Karis. Check it out.
As motorcyclists, we really are sport for choice with spectacular alpine roads such as the Stelvio, the Transfergarrison, the Grossglockner and Pikes Peak, just to name a few. The sheer size of the world's mountains means there's an abundance of twisty alpine roads ready for your motorcycling enjoyment. On the other side of the world in Australia, unfortunately, we don't have an abundance of alpine roads. But what we do have heaps of is spectacular coastline. In fact, there's 36,000 kilometres of the stuff, so surely within this vast number, there has to be a magnificent motorcycling road somewhere along the way. Of course there is, and it's called the Great Ocean Road. Now, even though it seems like a very basic name, that's where the simplicity ends and the brilliant engineering and pure motorcycling enjoyment begins. Over the next 200 kilometres, this road hugs a spectacular and dramatic coastline where you can enjoy riding alongside the bluest of oceans, golden sand beaches, through lush dense rainforests, and to top it all off, finish up at a humbling work of art by Mother Nature. It is for all these amazing factors, and with good reason, it is one of the world's greatest riding roads. So great in fact, you must ride it. Go on, chop chop, put it on your bucket list. So, what's bad about the Great Ocean Road? Well, it's an incredible road and therefore an incredibly popular destination. So, my biggest tip is to avoid peak periods to avoid the amount of traffic. Sundays feel like you're in a computer game. Ideally, it'd be great to have the whole thing to yourself, and with a little bit of proper planning, that can happen. Another danger are the spectacular views. They are a huge distraction, so keep your eyes on the road at all times. Another obvious tip is to stop frequently. The most breathtaking views reveal themselves after every corner, so you find yourself stopping every few kilometres. It's exactly why it takes so long to ride it in its entirety. One stop you must make, not only to absorb the views or admire the colour of the water, but also to say a very big thanks to not only those who built the road, but more so the reason why it was built. The Great Ocean Road is the world's biggest war memorial, and even though it's free, it only takes a minute of your time to stop and pay your respects. So then, have you ridden the Great Ocean Road? If you haven't, then why not? If you have, then why not again? If you need any more encouragement, I'll leave you with the jewel in the crown, the icing on top of the cake, a treat of nature so spectacular you'll be lost in its beauty. As a way of saying thanks for stopping by, Mother Nature rewards you with the magic of the 12 Apostles. Finally, after an incredible day of riding, and once you've taken it all in, the road, the views, the wildlife, and the 12 Apostles, there is one last treat. How could today possibly get any better? You simply turn around, and that means you get to do it all over again.
That's great, thanks Kosta. Head on over to Kosta's YouTube channel, Moto Passport, for his full report.